guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna build a very small and, well, actually not that powerful but useful speaker amplifier. And well, you saw the title, you will get the 4 parts that we will need for this build very cheap. We'll get it for under $3, which is just incredible that you can build an amplifier which you can actually use practically for $3. So I would say don't waste any more time, and we will start the build with designing the enclosure which we're gonna 3D print. So guys, you just saw how I designed the enclosure. I know it, I'm a freaking Fusion 360 noob, so don't be too mad, but here is the design with the amp logo on it, or logo, just design, and also 3D printed it now in some wood PLA. Came out pretty okay, just one thing, I thought the printer would handle the spec writing on the other side of the amp didn't work at all. Yeah, a bit too small eventually, but maybe your printer can handle it, I don't know. So yeah, got now these 2 parts, and well, they fit on each other like that. They don't have to be perfect because an amp doesn't have to be airtight. I will now start to mount everything into the housing, and also solder everything together. I will print you in now a diagram how I will wire up everything, because it's actually pretty simple. So I would say don't waste any more time, and you can now watch me assemble this thing, and afterwards we're going to hopefully give it a test and see how it actually performs and if it's worth building one on your own. So guys, let's go! finished, it is nice. I really love it. I really love how you can get an amp that is quite nice for unbelievably cheap. So €3, that's incredible. Like yeah, for an amp that, I mean, 2 times 3 watts at 4 ohms doesn't sound like much, but with the right speakers you can get up to, I don't know, 90 decibels easily. So yeah, really nice amplifier, nice stay project if you even needed a, probably not, but yeah, if you make the enclosure out of wood or something, you probably need a bit of time, but even then it will be a pretty fast project, which can be quite fun. You might learn a few things if you build one, so definitely check out everything in the description if you want to rebuild it. And yeah, have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys!